If you're just getting started in learning how to use Google Slides, here's a video on how you can add a new slide. So adding a new slide in a presentation is basically the first step in creating that slideshow. So there are 3 easy ways on how you can add a new slide here in Google Slides. The first one would be the easiest, which is our Add a New Slide tool here in our toolbar. So right next to our search tool, we have this plus sign right here, which when we hover over, it will say New Slide. So if we click on that, there we have it. We've successfully added a new slide with an existing layout. Now before, I think in the year 2024, before they did do or update the interface of Google Slides, we did have a choice on what type of layout we can add to the new slide we're adding to our presentation. Now, sadly, Google Slides has removed that option. So if we do want to change the layout for our new slide, we'll just have to go to Layout right here, still in our toolbar, click on it, and select the slide that we want to use. There you have it. So that's our first method. We have our plus sign right here, which will say New Slide. If you click on it, it will add a new slide. Let's try our second method. Our second method actually is in our menu bar. We have our slide option right here. If we click on it, right at the top, we have the same option of New Slide. If we click on this one, it will add another slide to our presentation. So this is the first one we added, and this is our second one. Now, one thing you'll notice, once I added this second slide, it has the same layout as the first one. So this is the first one, and here's the second one. Same layout, which is our title slide. Also a title slide layout for our second slide. Now, if I change this into something else, let's say I wanted a section header. There you go. So we have a title slide for our first slide, a section header for our second slide. If I were to add another slide using our third and last method, and you've actually seen this with our new slide option right here, right beside it, you will see the keyboard shortcut of Control-M or Command-M if you're a Mac user. If we go to Slide again here in the menu bar, you'll see the same keyboard shortcut on the right side, which is again Control-M or Command-M. So let's go to our keyboard this time and try out our third method. So press Control or Command, then the letter M, and there you have it. You'll see I've added a third slide right here, and now it has the same layout as my previous slide. So that's one thing to remember if you are trying to add a new slide to your presentation. Keep in mind that whatever layout you had in the previous slide will be the same layout for the next slide. So if I change this into, let's say, a blank one or a section title and description, there you go. And I decided to add a new one using the keyboard shortcut, Control-M or Command-M, and there you go. It will have the same layout as my previous slide. So that is 3 easy methods on how you can add a new slide for your presentations here in Google Slides. Now, if you're interested in learning how to create a full presentation here in Google Slides, I have a video about that you might want to check out. I'll be leaving a card at the top right corner for you to click. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.